Assalamualaikum friends, my name is Ansar Ali and you are watching Code Studio YouTube channel. In this tutorial we will learn about how to create circular progress dialog in Android Studio. Now I will show you the demo of our application, that how our application will be. Here is our application progress dialog. Here is a button. When I click on the show progress dialog button, it will show a progress dialog. Here you can see it shows circular progress dialog. So let's start our tutorial. Open Android Studio project. Here I have created an empty project with name progress dialog tutorial. In activity main.xml we have to design the layout. Here we have to create one button, and when we click on the button it will pop up a circular progress dialog. So let's create a button. Width will be wrap content, height will be wrap content, text show dialog, show progress dialog. After that, center in parent will be true. Its ID will be progress dialog button. Now move towards main activity. Here we will declare button progress dialog button progress dialog. Here connect the XML button with its XML layout. Progress dialog button is equal to find view by ID r.id. Progress dialog button. Now we will set click listener for this progress dialog button. Progress dialog button dot set on click listener new view dot on click listener. Here we will create progress dialog is equal to new progress dialog, and in this we have to pass the context, which is main activity dot this. After that, progress dialog dot show. Now we have to set its content view. Progress dialog dot set content view r dot layout dot show dialog. Now we will create this layout by pressing Alt.Enter. Show dialog. Its root element will be relative layout. Here its gravity will be center. In this relative layout, we have to create a linear layout. Wrap content, wrap content. Its orientation will be vertical. Its gravity will be center. Padding will be 25 dp. And its background will be @driver round bg. Now we have to create this file. In driver, root element will be its shape. Okay. Here shape will be its rectangle. Here solid. Red color will be, and the red color will be white. After that, create corner. Right radius will be 20 sp. After that, remove toward the in this linear layout, we have to create a progress bar. Width will be wrap content. Its height will also be wrap content. After that, we will create a text view. Text view. Width will be wrap content. Height will be wrap content. Text. Here we will write a loading. Text size will be 18 sp. Text style will be bold. Now in main activity, now here we will change its background color to transparent. Progress dialog dot get window dot set background driver resource Android dot r dot color dot transparent. Now on back press, on back press, we will dismiss the dialog. Progress dialog dot dismiss. Now we will run our application on real device to check whether our application run or not. So let's run our app. So our application is run successfully. When we click on this show progress dialog button, it will pop up a circular progress dialog. You can see it is showing us a progress dialog. So friends, if you like our video, then subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.